main thing when we're working the core is we're flat on our back. We want to make sure that we don't have enough on our back. For any of those of you who have arcs in your back, a weaker lower back and the core is that strong, it means when you're trying to hold a straight position like this, your back is actually pushing up on the floor and you're feeling pain. So for anybody like that who needs the modification, you can place both hands underneath your back or your butt to make it a little bit easier to push your back down. For those of you with the stronger core, is we're going to round that back out. We want the back touching the floor so that I can't connect my hands through. I want to keep my core strong. It's always constantly keeping my abs working. My shoulders are off the mat. My feet are straight out. This is the perfect way to just start strengthening that core. This is a good way to see how strong you are. If you can't hold it up that far, hold your legs up a little bit and start lowering them slowly, just to test where your abs are. When you start feeling your back lift up, that's when you know you have a problem. Best thing to do is just, like I said, if you can hold them out perfectly straight here, heels off the mat, and you can't fit your hands underneath your back, then your core is strong. So, a couple exercises we're going to do from here. All right, for those of you who can't do, who don't want to do the modern sitting, it gets a little bored. We're going to do a knees to elbow crunch, one of my favorites. So, as we're in this position, I bring my knees to my elbow, and crunch, and I extend it away. So now, of course, my lower and my upper abs work. Knees to the elbow, crunch, extend away. Knees to the elbow, extend away. Knees to the elbow, extend away. That's one of the best workouts for the whole core as a whole.